The other day, I'm talking to a DJ about how he can be successful. He's been DJing for a couple of years. He's having some fun. He wants to be good at this. He wants to do it for a living. So he asked me for some advice. One piece of advice. All right. I'm going to give him one piece of advice right now, and I'm going to give it to you as well. First, though, be nice to my sponsors if you don't mind. Electrovoice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience, and I'd love for you to be a part of it if you could. So, one piece of advice. That's all I can give you. One piece of advice to be a successful DJ. How about one piece of advice that'll work for anything? Whether you're a DJ, whether you're a lawn care specialist, okay, or a lawyer. Figure out what's expected of you with your clients and make sure you promise to do everything that's expected. And that means you need to find out exactly what they expect from you. And once you have that and you show up to deliver, do at least one thing more that was not expected. Just one. Do more than that if you can. But if you can show up in a way where you do something more than what's expected, even just one thing, you will show up more and better than 99% of the service providers out there. Service providers oftentimes show up with exactly what's expected of them. And there's nothing wrong with that. The success that comes with that turns out to be kind of like a machine. You do this, you pay that, you get this. You don't get anything more. You just get exactly what you expect from the service. The people that really, really do well in business, in service, in life are the people that figure out what's expected and then they do more. Just one thing. I would suggest you do more than one thing. You look at what's expected of you and then you think about what you might expect because it's probably a higher bar than what everyone else expects. Trust me, the bar is set so low right now for service providers when it comes to customers. It's really easy to show up in a way that is more than what's expected. That's all you got to do. Now, I know that a lot of you will hear this and go, yeah, but only a few of you will do the exercise where you sit down and you write out exactly what you would expect if you were a service provider. Or rather, if you were buying your service, okay? And then you go talk to your customers and you talk to other people who are not your customers and you say, I do this. What do you expect from a person who does this? And you make another list, okay? And then you find that sweet spot of what you know they expect and then find one or two things that will surprise them when it comes to going above and beyond the expectation. Silly? I tell you, it's not that hard. And it will make a profound impact on how you show up for your customers and will make a profound impact on the success that you have and the success that you feel with everything you do every single day. What do you think about this? I know you don't disagree, but what I want to know is, are you doing it? And if you're doing it and you have done it, have you gone back and looked at it again to find out if there's one more thing that you can provide that is just not expected? I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.